Hello, my name is Josh Bohrn. I'm a product support specialist for Epiroc here with the Underground Division. Today I'm going to show you how to service the cabin air filter. To do this, we simply need a flat blade screwdriver, twist the two screws, pull down and out. You've got two tabs that interlock in the back, and set this aside. From here, there's two more screws up on the inside that you twist. This takes a little bit of finessing and a little bit of patience. Wiggle it out towards the back. You'll see it drop, push it back, and pull it out. This is your outer element. And there's also, pull straight down, your inner element. To reinstall, same process, just in reverse. Grab your outer cover, place the two tabs, and lock in. For any more information, please contact your local Epiroc service center or dealer. Thank you.